In this video, you will learn how to apply for a student visa online in Australia. Choose your course. Choose and receive a Confirmation of Enrollment or COE. Apply for the Australian Education Institution. Obtain your COE and require it to start your visa application. Create an IME account. Visit the Australia Department of Home Affairs website and create an IME account to apply for a visa. Complete the student visa application or subclass 500. Log into your IME account and fill out the student visa application form with accurate personal details and educational details. Upload required documentation. Attach necessary documents such as your passport, COV, proof of funds, and overseas health cover, and English test results. Pay the visa application fee. Submit your fee securely through the IME account using your valid payment option. Submit and track your application. Submit your completed application and monitor its progress through the IME account. For any updates or requests on authority, now you know how to apply for a student visa online in Australia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.